Hey, Gerrid Smith here. Wanted to give a shout out to James Dooley. Had a mentor call with him this morning, and honestly, he just blew me away. I've been following James for a couple years now on his blog, and have always enjoyed his information. And when I had the opportunity to have a mentor call with him this morning, I just had to jump on it. Spend an hour going through some of our most pressing problems that we're facing in the SEO industry. And to clarify, I've been in the SEO industry for over 15 years now, so these were not light challenges, and I wanted to get his take on it because he runs such an incredible SEO empire, and he did not disappoint. It was phenomenal. I literally, after the call, I was like, man, if I don't get a 10 to 20 times return based on the ideas that he provided, that would be a major fail on me because he over delivered, and just can't thank him enough. So thank you, James. Really appreciate your time.